So hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to change log scale on tradingview. So first of all, open any web browser on your computer and then search for tradingview.com. So guys, after coming on the website, click on products and choose chart plus. So guys, as you can see, we have now come on the chart page, and right below on this button you guys can see log written here, but it is in blue color, and after changing the log scale it will turn in blue like this auto. So what will you have to do is just press two keys on your keypad, and those are Alt plus L, and as you can see guys, now it has been changed and these are also changed. So you guys cannot able to see the change. I'll do it again and again in a repetitive manner, then you will able to see the change. As you can see guys, the log is changing right here by pressing Alt plus L. So that's how you'll change the log scale on TradingView. So that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel for more future videos. And thanks for watching.